On the 1st of December 1965, nearly 18 years after India got its independence, the Government of India created an agency that was to work solely for the protection of the country's border. Border Security Force, their motto being duty unto death, clearly emphasizes the commitment that they have given to their country. With a vision to guard India's international borders during peacetime and also prevent transnational crime, BSF is one of the largest border patrol forces in the world. The BSF has today emerged as an elite force of the country after having excelled in the 1971 war with Pakistan. In addition to their duties of promoting a sense of security among the people living in the border area, they also prevent trans-border crimes or any kind of smuggling activity in India. The BSF every year contributes a number of personnel for services for UN mission in Kosovo and Bosnia. Apart from protection of India's borders, the BSF has wholeheartedly reached out to the civilian population during the earthquake that shook Gujarat on the 26th of January 2001. They also pacified the people of the state during communal disturbances and helped restore peace and amity to its people. The BSF Jawans from the very beginning of their recruitment are taught to value this saying, anytime, any task, anywhere. It is the sheer rigor of the training of the Jawans that make them fearless in their endeavor towards providing a safe country to us. The BSF has got the unique and rare privilege of having 12 Arjuna awardees. They also have many athletes who have participated and won medals in judo, swimming, wrestling, water sports and horse riding. They've also competed at an international level in the 8th South Asian Federation Games in 1999 and the 8th World Police and Fire Games held in Sweden in 1999. In the year 1978, a rolling trophy was presented by the Border Security Force to Bluebell School, recognizing the students of the school as sincere volunteers for their work. Since then, the students have been organizing the BSF cultural program. The 3-day youth fiesta is a testimony towards generations of young minds coming together as a team to create something beautiful that could be remembered by all around. All the cultural events have been written, directed and performed by our students. Our students on a trip to the Wagah border witnessed the awe-inspiring changing of the guards and the lowering of the flag ceremony. This moving event has created amongst our student community respect for all the men who have given their utmost dedication and devotion to protecting the honor of our country, India. It is with a lot of admiration and gratitude that we, the youth, salute the Jawans of the Border Security Force, for they truly inspire every Bluebellian to work together with commitment, sincerity, dedication towards one thing, and that is a world without any borders.